In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all your TikTok videos at once. First, open the TikTok app. Go to your profile, then tap the three lines or three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and look for Activity Center under the Content and Display section. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and select Manage Post Visibility. From here, you can select all your posts. Tap on the videos you want to manage, then tap Next. Now choose Only Me as the visibility option. This will make your videos private, meaning your followers and friends will no longer be able to see them. That's it. This is how you hide or remove all your TikTok videos at once by changing their visibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.